What's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and I got something special today. I've been waiting for this one since they announced it a few months ago. Do you know what's in this box? It's got the nice Huawei logo. I don't know if you can see that. A real nice clip. I have the Vivos right here. The top feels flimsy. It won't stay open on its own. This one feels a lot better. So check this out. This is something that's been bugging me with a lot of these headsets is it's very difficult to take them out of their holder. So right now, boom, I take it out, no big deal. Let's try that again. Boom, it's in the right direction and I can pop it right in my ear. That's something that I struggle with the Xiaomi, with the Razors, and even the Vivos. The Vivos, they're kind of slippery, so you gotta really grip onto them to put them into your ear, which is kind of a pain. I'm always worried that I'm gonna drop them. Right off the bat, my initial impression of this as to how you can just take it out. I mean, I feel confident already knowing that I'm not gonna drop it. I have something to grab onto. That's done right. Let's try to pair this up. Let's see. So I'm sure, where's the button? The button's right here. Hopefully these are charged. I hold this down, flip it open. That should do it. But these do not look like they have any charge. So I'm gonna take a quick break, charge these up to 10, 15, 20%, whatever it is. That way I can hop back into the video. I'll be right back before you know it. All right guys, I'm back. So while I was charging up the headphones for a few minutes there, I downloaded the AI Life app. This is what's going to connect the FreeBuds to the phone. Supposedly you just open the top like so. It's scanning. Let's try that again. Found them. We hit connect. Pair and connect, allow access. So we are connected. As you can see, it shows that the headphones have about 35 each and the case has about 20%. I'm going to go ahead and click on shortcuts. And this is the settings that you can enable for the right bud or the left bud. Double tap to play next, play pause, wake assistant, enable noise cancellation, and I'll mess with those and go through it for the full review later. And looks like that's the noise cancellation on and off. I want to see how this sounds. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my ears. I've never really worn any noise cancellation headphones before. I can hear like a humming noise around, and I guess that's what's trying to block out all the ambient sounds around me, but I can definitely tell that there's something happening. Let's go ahead and put some music on and see how they sound. That's really what matters. Let's do this. The highs are nice. Not bad, not bad. Here comes the bass. Okay, okay. Definitely the Razors hit the hardest out of the last few headsets that I've tried. The highs are good, I would say above average. The Vivos highs, I feel like they might be a little bit better, but you know, I just got these in. Maybe I gotta break them in a little bit. Maybe I gotta change up the music a little bit. Next to the Vivo, I can tell you right away, I prefer the size of the case of the Vivo. Slides right in my pocket. It's not much. The Huawei's aren't much of a difference. As you can see, it's just rounded. I wish the bottoms of both of these were flat so they would sit up. Kind of annoying to me when I have them out. I gotta lay them flat. I wish they'd stand up like these guys here. But anyways, this has been a quick unboxing of the FreeBuds 3. In about a week or so, I'll give you the full review, let you know what I think. I'll compare them against the Vivos. I'll let you know how they compare from the original FreeBuds that I have, the Huawei FreeBuds 2 Pros or the Honor FlyPods. We're gonna go through it all. Which is the best headphones you can buy right now, or earphones that you can buy right now. Supposedly, these are the true competitors to the AirPods. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try them out. I like these a lot. Let's see if these can dethrone the Vivos. Anyways, I'm Dave the Phone Guy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.